How's it going, guys? My name is Dustin, aka Crop Dustin on Instagram and TikTok. Today I'm going to be teaching you the move, the escalator. So to do this trick, we're going to start out with the inward figure 8 in the wheel plane. So the Flowstar is going to be perpendicular to your field of vision. Essentially, you're going to throw it up your extended arm. You want to be leaned back with your chest protruded outwards so you can get that view of the escalator. And you want to release the Flowstar when it's coming up near your belly button area so you can get the full motion up your arm. So you'll release it like this. And then once you get at the top, you're going to want to catch the Flowstar in a palm up grip. And it's really going to come and ride up your arm into that slot. Once you stop the momentum at the top up here, you're going to want to flick it down your arm. So just imagine you're holding the end of the Flowstar. You want to flick your wrist forward while you're also kind of putting a little bit of upwards momentum on that, so it'll really get a good flick down your body. So the best move out of this is to catch it down near your waist with a forwards figure 8. And I'll show you that one more time. Just like that. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you later. Have a good day.